When I bought the engine, it had some details that should be there for ability to work. Cylinder, its head, spark plug, right piston circlip are the ones of them. I have this cylinder head and spark plug, which fit the engine. The cylinder head is Japan made. The spark plug is from China. Cylinder and right piston circlip had to be purchased. Despite the piston kit, the engine head upon buying isn't worked off and has good quality, at least the piston. That is made in Taiwan by Shengye company. I decided to buy and install a new cylinder kit. I found the cheapest one for the engine for $15. That looks good, but isn't made of best materials or the details. Also, it is not made perfectly. At least that looks good, so enjoy its view in details. I weighted each piston kit without its circlips. And the new one is 2 grams lighter. The new cylinder kit gasket doesn't fit cylinder place on the engine, so I made the new cylinder gasket, which does. Also is thicker, which will make better contact between the cylinder and the engine block. I'll use the old roller bearing, because that is okay. I installed the cylinder kit on the engine, and this is how the piston looks inside the cylinder. At the bottom, dead center of the engine. Exhaust port is open. Other ports are a bit closed. I'll screw the cylinder down with these bolts from a F18E engine that has taller cylinder, logically taller cylinder bolts. The engine's name I repair is AF05V, and this one's cylinder is shorter than AF18E's one. I solved the problem with these spacers, made of worked off CVT weights from AF18E engine. This is the result.